Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a quick but complete comparison between Zenbusiness and Legalzoom, two of the biggest names for forming an LC or starting your business online. We'll break down their cons, pros, pricing, and key differences, so by the end you'll know exactly which one is best for you. And for now, let's get started. Overview. Both Zenbusiness and LegalZoom help you form an LLC, corporation, or nonprofit without hiring an expensive lawyer. Zenbusiness focuses on affordable, automated formation with great customer support. LegalZoom, on the other hand, offers a wide range of legal services, not just LLC formation, but also contracts, trademarks, and attorney consultations. So while Zenbusiness is more about speed and simplicity, LegalZoom is about legal depth and repetition. Pricing and plans. Here's where they really differ. Zen Business starts at $0 plus state fees, with paid plans offering features like operating agreements, EIN registration, and compliance reminders. LegalZoom starts at $0 plus state fees as well, but you will often pay extra for essentials like an operating agreement or registered agent service. Example, Zen Business Pro plan costs about $199 per year, while LegalZoom's comparable setup often goes above $250 to $300 once you add key features. If budget and simplicity matter most, Zen Business wins here. Features and ease of use. Zen Business has a clean, beginner-friendly dashboard. You can form your LC in as little as 10 minutes. They also include annual report reminders and free accounting tools in some plans. LegalZoom, while more robust, can feel slower and more sales-driven, with lots of optional add-ons that can drive up the cost. However, LegalZoom shines with legal advice access, something Zen Business doesn't directly offer. Pros and cons. Now let's start with Zen Business Pros. Affordable pricing, fast and easy setup, great customer reviews. Zen Business Cons, limited legal services, add-ons can increase cost. LegalZoom Pros, huge brand reputation, access to attorneys and legal documents, many business and IP services. LegalZoom Cons, more expensive, longer turnaround times. Verdict and recommendation. So which one should you choose? If you want a simple, affordable, and fast LLC setup, go with Zen Business. But if you need legal help or extra business services like trademarks or contracts, LegalZoom might be worth the higher price. Either way, both platforms are reliable. It just depends on whether you want efficiency or full legal support. And that's it for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and join us on YouTube in order to support us to make more videos of this kind. And goodbye.